Alright, hold on to your gimbals, because the DJI Osmo 360 is officially breaking cover, and yes, the leaks were real. After weeks of speculation, blurry images, and Reddit debates, we've now got confirmation from retail box photos that the Osmo 360 isn't just coming, it's coming in hot. This isn't a half step into the 360 camera market. This is DJI going full send. And while the design has been floating around the internet for a while now, honestly, you've probably memorized every angle by now. The real news is under the hood. Let's skip the predictable stuff and get into what actually matters. The specs that are about to shake up the entire 360 camera scene. Right at the top of the list, and this one's a game changer, is the 1-inch sensor. Confirmed. This has been popping up in leaks for weeks, and now it's official. For a 360 camera, that's a massive upgrade. It's bigger than anything Insta360 uses in their mainstream lineup. Sure, Insta's X5 has its fans, especially for the swappable lens flexibility. But if you care about raw image quality, DJI is making a statement here. And yes, native 8K 360-degree video is real too, 30 frames per second. No upscaling trickery, just crisp, detailed, spherical footage. Whether you're shooting travel vlogs, extreme sports, or cinematic scenes, this camera is ready to deliver. But G didn't stop there. They're also throwing in 4000 at 120 fps with a super wide 170 field of view, which supports earlier leaks about a single lens ultra-wide mode. Perfect for action sequences or just buttery smooth footage. Want options? You've also got 5000 at 60 EFPs with a 155 field of view. So you're covered for high-res slow motion or fast-paced storytelling. And for the color grading crowd, DJ, I added 10-bit D-Log-M support, which means more flexibility in post, richer color depth, and a ton more creative freedom. Then there's the photo capability. Brace yourself, minus 120 megapixel 360-degree photo capture. That's nearly double what the Insta360 X5 maxes out at. DJI isn't just dipping their toe in the water. They're going for total image quality dominance. Now let's talk battery, because that 8K footage won't mean much if your camera dies after 20 minutes. The box mentions 100 minutes of 8000 recording at 30 FPS on a single charge. That's impressive considering the battery is rumored to be just 1850 mAh. Even more interesting, there's a leak about a battery extension bar that bumps runtime up to 180 minutes, so we haven't seen that accessory in the wild yet. Knowing DJI, it'll probably be sold separately. Classic move, right? Hey, the fact that you can potentially record nearly 3 hours of high-res footage is a huge win for mobile creators, and there's more. Osmo audio mic support is confirmed too, which suggests modular audio add-ons, something pros and vloggers are absolutely going to love. Add in the magnetic quick-release mount, matching that cage-style look we saw in earlier leaks, and you've got a flexible, rugged setup that's built for real-world use. One thing we didn't get confirmation on? The rumored dual lens split view mode that still seems to be speculation at this point. But even without it, this feature list is stacked. Now for the combos. DJI is offering two: the standard combo and the adventure combo. The standard gives you the basics. But if you want the full experience, including the new battery case, 2 extended battery plus, and of course, the iconic 1.2 meter invisible selfie stick, you'll want the adventure combo. Pricing leaked as well, $759 AOD for the standard, $989 AUD for the adventure. That works out to about $500 and $650 USD respectively before tax, which puts this squarely in competitive territory. To sum it all up, this isn't just a new product, it's a statement from DJI. They're not playing around. The Osmo 360 is coming straight at Insta360 and GoPro, bringing premium specs, polished hardware, creative flexibility that could redefine how we shoot immersive content. The question now isn't whether DJI is serious, it's whether you're ready to make the leap. So, what do you think? Were you sold the second you heard on-inch sensor? Or are you holding out for a full hands-on review? Let me know down in the comments. If this breakdown helped you, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on the bell so you don't miss what's next. And speaking of next, check out the 2 videos on screen right now. One is a full spec by spec comparison with the Insta360 X5, and the other is our real-world test the moment the Osmo 360 lands in our studio. You don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.